Let's go through the whole process of making a Polypro hoop. First, get all your tools ready and make your calculations for the hoop size. Using your cloth measuring tape, start from the end of the tube and measure along the outside of the tubing from left to right. Use your left hand to hold the tape measure in place as you slide your right hand arm's length along the tube, holding the tape in place as you measure 1 arm's length at a time. End up at the desired measurement and get your pipe cutters. Cut the tube approximately 1/4 inch longer than the hoop measurement using the tube cutting techniques from our prior video. The reason you are measuring slightly over what you need is to allow for connection perfection, which we cover in another video. The next task is to perfect the connection with the box knife. Once the connection is perfected, you will now be ready to assemble the hoop. Locate your 1/8 inch drill bit, rivet and riveter, and connector. Slide the connector into one end of the hoop halfway and choose the side you wish to put the rivet on. Using the 1/8 inch drill bit, drill a hole into the first layer of the Polypro and the first layer of the insert. Make sure the drill is vertical on the hoop and the hole is straight down. Push the end of the 1/8 inch rivet into the hole. Place the riveter into the hole and squeeze the handle while applying pressure downwards onto the rivet. You may need to squeeze the handle several times to break the top of the rivet off. Choose the appropriate snap button for your hoop and select the corresponding drill bit size, which is covered in our snap button video. Push the ends of the hoop together and on the opposite side, find the location ideal for the push button, which is usually approximately 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch away from the end of the tube on the opposite side of the connection. Drill a hole through the first layer of the hoop and the first layer of the insert, making sure to keep your drill bit vertical. Now you are ready to insert the push button into place. Pull the ends of the tube apart and squeeze the snap button so that it fits inside the insert and the button pops through the insert. Then push the ends of the hoop together while pushing down on the button head with your thumb so that the ends will push together. The button will pop through the hoop layer and you may need to slightly wiggle the ends to allow the button to find its hole. Yay, you are done.